Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can unlock Lana's dress. I'm not going to do the full walkthrough though because it's confusing. So this is Lana's dress here. Let me just take the rest off so I can show you. This is Lana's dress, and to get it, you're just going to go out of the game first. And then type in, I think it's called the forest. Play it. And you're going to basically walk. Well, you can run, I guess. You're going to walk until you find like the portal. I actually like the quest a little bit. Wait, I like the quest way more better than this because it's a little bit confusing. That's why I've been not able to do a full tutorial on this, but you're just going to keep walking and be careful of the Lana lookalikes. You can press 1. It doesn't really give much light, if I'm being honest. You'll need friends to do this. You'll need at least 3 friends. Not at least, you'll need 3 friends. So here, you're going to walk where I'm going, and when you see that, you're going to stand on basically the place here until they can all teleport. So yeah, we just need that person, and then it's going to teleport you to the maze, and you'll just need to get out of the maze. Just follow Lana's like portraits, I guess, like her photos, but be careful of her twin. Again, I don't think I'm going to be able to do the full walkthrough because it's confusing, it's dark, and we need like way more people to do this to make it a little bit bright. Maybe this person knows where they're going. I don't. I guess not. It's so dark, like, but you have to like just send it, I guess. But that is it. I'm not going to show the full maze because it's super dark and I don't think I can guide you through it anyways. But yeah, that is it. Just go through until you have finished the maze. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.